In front of me is Realme P3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to tap on Device Unlock and tap on Fingerprint and Face Unlock here. Then tap on Face section, enter your screen lock and tap on Add Now. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Wait for 100% mark. Then choose Done. Adjust all of those options and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!